Good morning guys, ani ako karon sa Kapalong, Municipality of Kapalong Davao Del Norte. Diin akong nakita ang usa sa ilahang way of transportation, convenience for going around within the municipality. They are using bicycle. So bicycle is one way of carrying their passenger nearby from the municipal building to the market to other places where it can be transported by means of bicycle. So there are many bicycle here, transporting passenger from one place to another. This according to them, more than about 100 bicycle who are roaming around the municipality from the proper sit down proper to the nearby high point of converging, a place where the passenger is waiting. Aside from motorcycle, they have also bicycle. Aside from tricycle, so people also are used to ride this kind of bicycle. So this will also give one way of earning money of the people of the municipality of Kapalong, because the special call drivers, bicycle drivers are also earning money for their daily needs. So very nice undertakings by the municipality. They allow the bicycle to do and to earn money for their livings. So guys, once again, ayaw kalimot sa pag-subscribe sa akong YouTube channel, likes, share, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified once another video is uploaded. This is the National Road going to Asuncion, and the other side is going to Talaingod, going to Bukidnon. So this is connected going there. So you can see so salamat guys sa inyong pag-view sa YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye. God bless everyone.